funded and focused feature. When a professional woman over the age of 50 faces a Category 5 event that devastates her business, it can feel like everything she's built has been wiped away. Yet this moment isn't an ending, it's a call to revision. Recovery begins by grounding yourself emotionally, reassessing your mission, and rebuilding strategically from the inside out. Instead of chasing what was, focus on what's next. New systems, smarter strategies, and digital opportunities that align with your current strength. Surround yourself with people who inspire growth, not fear. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.